The overview: Bangkok Glass Public Company Limited, or BG, was established in 1974 with an initial registered capital of 50 million baht. The company began constructing its first factory in Pathum Thani province in 1979 with a production capacity of 150 tons per day. In 1982, Bunrod Brewery Company Limited, a leading beer manufacturer in Thailand, became the major shareholder of the company. This acquisition enabled BG to continuously expand its production capacity. Today, BG has the largest production capacity in Thailand for glass packaging. The company has invested in advanced technology and facilities to meet the demands of both domestic and international markets. BG's products include glass bottles and containers used in various industries, such as food, beverages, and pharmaceuticals.
Okay, now let's discuss about the factory constraints concerning demand and supply. The first one is the market saturation in glass packaging. So basically, the glass packaging market has approached its saturation. So Bangkok Glass Company decided to diversify into float glass products instead, which includes building materials and solar panels to deal and help mitigate the decline in the demand. Another one is the energy supply challenges. The Rayong plant faced natural gas shortages, so BG decided to construct a new 400 tons per day furnace in Ratchaburi facility to ensure a stable energy supply and to meet the demand for glass container. Next up is the problems that have already been solved and the current challenges BG is facing. The first one is market saturation in glass packaging. So BG's Pathum Thani plant achieved a 10% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions compared to other industry averages. They can achieve this by maximizing the coolant usage, which is basically recycling broken glass pieces, and optimizing the overall energy consumption. The company aims to further reduce emission by 1 to 2% annually in the future. They also aim for digital transformation. So they're currently trying to transition into a data driven company by adopting SAP's ERP software to help enhance the efficiency across all sectors, such as finance, supply chain, and production.
For the IDEF or level 0 of BG public company. The first one is suppliers. For the control is purchase order, quality standard and raw material specification. And the last one is regulatory compliance. For the mechanism is suppliers management system and raw material inspection to and process. The output is raw material. And the second is BG public company. For the control is production schedule and plan. Second, quality control standard and safety and operational guideline. For the mechanism is glass manufacturing machine and equipment. And the second is quality testing lab and tool. And the last one is maintenance team and system. The output is ready product. And the next is logistic. For the control is delivery schedule, transportation regulation, and inventory management policy. For the mechanism is warehousing, quality and system, transportation vehicle and logistic partner and third-party providers. For the output is ready product that shipped to customer. Next is customer. Control is customer requirement, which is quantity. Service level agreement, and next one is feedback and complaint resolution process. For the mechanism is customer relationship management system. Customer feedback. They collecting feedback through AI. And the last one is as after sales service and support team. For the IDEF or level 1 of BG public company, for the plan have input is MOU. MOU, which is a memorandum of understanding, is a document where two or more parties like company, government, or organization agree to work together on something. For the control, is demand forecasting, procurement policy, strategic planning, and product model. For the mechanism is ERP system. ERP system, which is an enterprise resource planning, is a software system that includes all the tools and process required to run a successful company. Second is spreadsheets and employee. For the output is order. Next is source. For the control is lean, sourcing, inventory control, safety stock, cost management policy, and QC standard. For the mechanism is procurement team, SRM. SRM, which is a supplier relationship management and e-procurement platform and logistic network. For the output is raw material. For the make have control is product model, quality control, maintenance scheduling, production process control. For the mechanism is regenerative furnace, annealing furnace, batch house, ORC. ORC, which is a mechanic that check thickness of a product, an employee quality check machine, semi-packaging machine, and automatic pallet wrapper, and the output is product. For the delivery, have have control is logistic policy, order fulfillment, logistic management. For the mechanism is transport fleet, warehouse, fleet management system, and employee.
Bangkok Gas use smart systems to keep production smooth, reduce downtime, and ensure fast delivery. Here are four key strategies. Automate production planning prevents unnecessary production stop by optimizing schedule. Lean manufacturing and preventive maintenance. Reduce waste and keep machine in good condition to avoid breakdown. Logistics. Factories are near major customers, reducing delivery time and cost. Supply chain. Use multiple suppliers and backup stock to ensure a steady supply of material.
Customer certifications. For product qualities, highest quality defeats freeze products would contributes to higher certifications. For customer service, a professional customer service, including after-sales support, praise, and certificates roles. For innovations, offering innovative designs and customizing solutions to meet specific needs can enhance certifications.
Further, production scheduling system that is all begin with raw material inspection, where recycled glass is sorted and cleaned to remove contaminants like stone and aluminum. We also check the silica, calcium levels, and grain size to ensure quality. Next is the manufacturing process. First, raw materials are mixed into the batch house and transported via conveyor belts into the furnace. The furnace operating at temperature up to 1400 Celsius. Use a regenerative system for energy efficiency with natural gas as the primary fuel. And then in the forming process, molten glass flows through the spout zone and is cut by shears. The blank side from the bottle's neck, while the partisan mold shapes the body. The bottle is then finalized through the inverter and undergoes annealing to relieve internal stress. After passing quality control, the bottles are ready to distribution. This process ensures high quality, sustainable glass production. And the next, I will let you know the space utilization. Let's take a look at how space is utilized within our factory. The facility is divided into three key areas: glass forming, quality control, and packing and storage. Starting with glass forming, this area houses 3 furnaces and 9 production lines, with each line operated by 2 personnel to ensure efficient manufacturing. Next, we have quality control or QC, where advanced inspection machines like Evolution 12, Evo 5, Metal Hacker, and M1 ensure product quality. Manual inspections are also conducted, and physical lab is available for volume testing to maintain high standards. And finally, in packing and storage, inventory stock is maintained for 1 to 2 months, amounting to approximately 100,000 tons. During period of low demand, additional warehouse space is rented to accommodate excess stock. This structured space utilization ensures smooth operations, high quality production, and efficient storage management.
Teamwork and motivation drive success. To foster collaborations and engagement, we introduce 4 key initiatives. First, bonding activities. Various events throughout the year strengthen relationships between employees and the organization. Second, seminar and training. Designed to encourage passion in work and professional growth, these programs enhance skills and motivation. Third, departmental insight. Sessions that improve collaborations and ensure smooth workflows between departments and promoting efficiency. And the last one is Happy My Day or Tao Lom Jai. It is a welfare program offering individual counseling by psychologists to support employees' mental well-being. Through this initiative, we can create a positive work environment where teamwork, motivations, and growth thrive. The machinery in our facility plays a critical role in productions, and keeping it in top condition is a top priority. Starting with the furnace, it operates continuously and never shut down with a lifespan of 15 years. It reaches extreme temperature of 1400 degrees Celsius and runs primarily on natural gas or NG. We operate 2 furnaces across 7 production lines, producing 165 bottles per minute. Because the furnace is essential to the entire operations, any disruption such as a power outage or flooding must be avoided at all costs, and these can impact the entire factory. And also, maintenance is a key to efficiency. Preventive maintenance is scheduled every 3 months, during which machines are stopped for just 8 hours to ensure minimal downtime. And for the molding machines, maintenance takes place on a weekly and monthly basis to keep performance at its peak. At this company, we prioritize machinery health and address any issue immediately to prevent production delays. By maintaining strict maintenance routine and safeguarding our equipment from potential risk, we ensure smooth operations and consistent output.
Bangkok Gas use a visual management system to make the factory safer, more organized, and more efficient. This system has 3 main parts. Yellow lines mark safe walkways to keep workers away from dangerous areas. Manual bottom inspection. Bright lights help workers see cracks, bubbles, or dirt in the bottom that machines might miss. Clear sign and status lights. Green light mean machine is working, red light mean machine is stopped for maintenance. Start stop label help workers understand machine status.
Next up, let's discuss about the assessment of quality management related to standards and systems. BG has obtained several and numerous key certifications that underscore its dedication to quality, environmental responsibility, and occupational health and safety standards. These are just some few examples. The ISO 9001, it is certified by SGS Company Thailand for BG's adherence to international quality management standards. ISO. Furthermore, BG has been approved by the Thai Industrial Standards or TIS. So BG's product comply with multiple TIS certifications, including TIS 880 in the year 2560 BE for clear float glass, TIS 1344 in the year 2560 BE for tinted float glass, and TIS 90965 in the year 2060 BE for tempered glass. These awards and certifications ensures that BG is adhere to national quality.
For the raw materials, the key raw materials for glass production must have a fine grain size to ensure efficiency in the manufacturing process. First is the silica sand, is the primary component of glass. Next is soda ash, to lower the melting temperature and reducing energy consumption. Next is dolomite, to enhance the glass durability and strength. Next is limestone, to improve the chemical stability of the glass. The last is the recycled cullet or glass scrap, sourced from waste management companies. It must be thoroughly cleaned and sorted to remove contaminants such as aluminum, stones, and ceramics before being reused. Once the raw materials are prepared, they are mixed and transported via conveyor belts into the glass melting furnace. Inventory management. Glass melting furnace. It operates continuously once started, with a lifespan of approximately 15 years. It is designed based on market demand forecasts, spanning 15 years to align with industry trends. Stock management. The factory maintains a stock of raw materials for 1 to 2 months, approximately 100,000 tons. If glass demand is low, excess production is stored in external warehouses to avoid shutting down the furnace, as turning off would incur high costs.